Python while loops. They don't just repeat stuff. They automate, monitor, and rescue lives literally. Let's explore how real-world automation starts with just one loop. Say hello to Zoya. She's a rescue tech wizard who uses Python to control autonomous drones. These flying bots don't just zoom around for fun. They check batteries, scan for humans, and report back in real time. And the brain behind all this? A humble while loop. So, what's this magical while loop? Simple. It tells Python, hey, keep doing this thing as long as the condition is true. Don't stop until I say so. When do you use it? When you don't know how many times something needs to run. Like monitoring a sensor. Or waiting for someone to finally enter the right password. Here is use case 1, battery drain. Zoya's drone starts with a full battery. And as long as it's above 20%, the drone keeps flying. The code keeps checking and printing battery status. When power gets low, it lands automatically. No drama. No crash landings. Just clean while loop logic. Now use case 2, human detection. Disaster zone. 5 areas to scan. The drone goes one by one. And when it finds a human in zone 4, it doesn't keep looping. It stops. Sends help. Now that's efficiency. The while loop stops exactly when it should. Not a second later. Explore use case 3, input validation. Zoya also uses while loops for access control. You can't just type anything and enter the system. Try the wrong code. Reject it. Try again. Still wrong? Nope. Only when you enter safe 123, access granted. Python keeps checking until you get it right. Like a polite bouncer with a loop. It's time for 4th use case, real-time AQI monitoring. The drone also monitors AQI, that's air quality index. If it's under 250, it's safe. So the while loop checks. And checks again. And the moment AQI shoots past the danger level, boom. The loop ends. Drone heads back to safety. No humans harmed. No lungs panic. 5th and last one, rescue countdown with wind check. Okay, here's the cool part. Zoya's drone is hovering in the air. Countdown begins. But wait, is the wind speed safe? If yes, over and drop. If not, cancel the mission. Nested while logic makes this happen. It loops, checks, decides, and acts. Like a smart flying intern who never messes up. And that's how Zoya uses Python while loops to rescue lives. Now it's your turn. Learn Python with real hands-on projects. Get certified. Grab internships. Launch your tech career. We are ready to guide you every loop of the way. Visit us at www.aicouncil.in or ping us on WhatsApp at +9174 2866 1107. See you in the class.